Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to get founder points in FC Mobile in 2024. First, open the FC Mobile app. Once your game is fully loaded, tap on the play button given here. You need to play in Division Rivals to gain XP. Also, go to Quests. Here you need to complete all types of quests, especially the daily quests. You can earn points that will help you claim XP and other rewards. Another way is to play daily matches and skill games to earn scouting points. Every week, there will be an additional skill game and match available. Scouting points are used on the reward path to claim Founders players, or use them in the special exchange. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.